Easy Crown Molding Pro. Easy Crown Molding Pro, finishing your seams. I like to take a small piece of the bottom adhesive, pull it back, and press the two pieces tightly over one another. The reason for this, it's going to keep the molding from sliding out as you cut through it. Then simply just lift it away from the wall and make sure you're cut through the two pieces simultaneously. You'll then remove this piece of scrap from the one side, reach under and remove the cutoff from the other side. Now you'll take one of the seam joiners that comes supplied with your kit. Reaching under behind the molding, you'll position it in place and press it nice and tight. And then just line the two pieces up, press it tight, and now you're ready to stick the bottom edge of the molding down. And just follow it along. And there you go. You get a perfect seam every time.